Drivepedia 2026. Nissan Altima arrives as a smart evolution of one of the most popular midsize sedans on the road. And this year, it's all about refinement, technology, and efficiency rather than dramatic reinvention. Nissan clearly understands its audience here. Drivers who want comfort, reliability, and modern features without moving into luxury car pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Altima looks sharper and more confident. Exterior. The front fascia features a revised V-motion grille that's wider and cleaner, giving the car a lower and more planted stance. The headlights are slimmer and now fully LED across all trims, with redesigned daytime running lights that add a premium feel. Along the sides, the body lines are smoother but more sculpted, improving aerodynamics while keeping that familiar Altima silhouette. At the rear, updated LED taillights and a cleaner bumper design bring the look together nicely. Interior. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 Altima really steps up. The cabin feels more modern, more connected, and more comfortable. Nissan has upgraded materials throughout the interior, with softer touch surfaces on the dashboard and door panels. Depending on the trim, you'll find contrast stitching, brushed metal accents, and available leather-appointed seating that feels surprisingly upscale for the segment. Technology takes center stage with a new, larger infotainment system. A standard touchscreen now starts bigger than before, while higher trims feature a fully digital instrument cluster, paired with an upgraded central display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, eliminating the need for cables. The system is faster, more responsive, and easier to use, with clearer graphics and better voice recognition. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 Altima offers Nissan's zero-gravity seats, which are designed to reduce fatigue on long drives. Both front and rear passengers benefit from generous legroom, making this a great option for families or daily commuters. Dual-zone climate control is standard on most trims, and higher trims add heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and ventilated seating for extra comfort. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Altima focuses on efficiency and smooth performance. The standard engine remains a fuel-efficient four-cylinder designed for daily driving, offering a balanced mix of power and excellent gas mileage. For those who want extra confidence on the road, Nissan continues to offer its intelligent all-wheel drive system, which automatically adjusts power between the front and rear wheels depending on road conditions. This makes the Altima one of the few sedans in its class to offer AWD, a big advantage in rain or snow. Safety is another strong point for the 2026 model year. Nissan Safety Shield 360 comes standard, which includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, and automatic high beams. Higher trims add advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree around view monitor that makes parking effortless. One of the biggest improvements for 2026 is how all these systems work together more smoothly. Driver assistance features feel less intrusive and more natural, helping rather than distracting. This makes the Altima a stress-free car to drive, whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway. Overall, the 2026 Nissan Altima doesn't try to reinvent the midsize sedan. It perfects it. With its refreshed design, upgraded interior tech, strong safety features, and impressive efficiency, it remains a smart, practical, and comfortable choice for modern drivers. If you're looking for a sedan that delivers value without feeling outdated, the 2026 Altima deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More car features and future models are coming your way very soon.